Guys, welcome back to Raptor, man. Got the monster exhaust all installed. I broke a bolt off the head of a bolt where my old HMF, because the monster uses the grab bar bolt, the HMF uses the other bolt. So as I was trying to tighten this bolt back in, I broke the head off. It's no big deal. I can just take some vice grips and get that out. But yeah, monster exhaust is on, guys. Let's do a little bit of a sound test. Yeah, that's insanely loud. Smoking a little bit because I got chemicals, and I think these brand new pipes tend to smoke up on the first heat cycle or so. But let's give it a rip. First ride with the full monster exhaust, you guys. Big 5 Raptor, PC5, Empire board, 50mm throttle body. I put the 14-tooth front sprocket back on it. Hotcam Stage 3, full monster. Hopefully we don't lose the cell phone that's chilling in my pocket while I'm wearing these shorts here. We'll go the other way first, actually. Got the full fiber clutch mod, you guys. What else? I got the Moose Racing Shorty clutch lever. Anybody that talks bad about Shorty clutch levers or say they don't engage, maybe they just never tried a Moose Racing one, but I've never had any issues with reaching this one or anything like that, or not engaging all the way. I've had this on here since 2016 and it's been absolutely fine. So don't buy into the hype that Shorty levers are bad for whatever reason. Now if you have small hands, that's different. It'd be a little harder to reach that, but I have a pretty decent sized hand. I'm 6'2", 280 pounds roughly. So I have no issue whatsoever reaching this with even one finger and pulling it in. But I can tell just even on idling like this how much louder it is. There's good old AJ's house. Oh yeah, my leg is getting hot.
All the way down the low road.
Do another test here. Oh yeah, she's super duper loud.